Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So I have these Duranta Gold Mounds. They're very pretty shrub. They look almost like the sunshine lagastrums, but they're a different shrub. So I have 6 of them, 3 on this side of the bed and 3 on the other side. So what I want to do, I want to go ahead and propagate them. They should be easily propagated by cuttings. So I'll show you how they look like. It's the beginning of September, and I think it's the perfect time to propagate these. So this is one set. So there are 3 in here. So these were really small when I planted them last year. I think they were in either a 4-inch or a 6-inch pot. And in the wintertime, we had a freeze after I just planted them, and they I had to cut them all the way back to the ground, and they regrew in the spring. So this is the growth that they've had literally from the ground up in the last 9 months. So this is one set, and we have another set right here. So I think this set is smaller than the other one. I'm not sure why. Maybe this side gets more sun than the other side. Maybe that's all it is. But they're pretty nonetheless. So I think I still have the tag somewhere, the original tag here. Yeah. So they're definitely drought tolerant because we've had a really hot summer, and they've been fine. And like I said, in the wintertime, we had a freeze that destroyed the leaves, and I cut them all the way back to the ground. So this is what we have. I'll go ahead and take a few cuttings, and I'll just see how they do, because I'm assuming they should be easily propagated from these from soft cuttings. So okay, let's get started.